it's Chickbase and I'm back with another video. Today, y'all can already tell by the title, you guys want to know how to do the butterfly lock. Period. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now because this came out so good. Period. And you want to know how to slay like this. You just want to. So y'all, if you want to know how to do this, keep on watching and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and take that bell to get notified to my videos. So without further ado, let's get straight to this video. Time for the voiceover. So I am going to try my very best to explain what I'm doing as I go on. As you can see, I am parting my hair and making sure that it's moisturized. I'm using Blue Magic, if you guys know what that is. If you guys want to just go straight to the butterfly locks tutorial, the timestamps will be provided at the top of the screen, so you guys can just skip over this because this part is just showing how I part my hair and make it so neat. If you guys notice, you see I am braiding my roots and twisting my ends, and that's just the easier way to go if you ask me, because the only thing that matters here is the braided roots. You're still going to wrap your hair, so it really doesn't matter if you braid or twist it. Twisting is just the faster, easier, smarter way to go, you know. The key to making your parting really neat is by literally adding edge control, and I don't mean shine jam because I've been using that jam for the longest for like my protective styles and all, and I feel like it really doesn't do anything for my hair, to be honest. Maybe it does for you guys, but not for me. I don't know why. I feel like that protective style, that knotless braids or whatever, plus the rice water did justice to my hair. Like y'all see the length. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Guess who's back with the butterfly looks? Have done. That's right, me. Here he is. Oh my god. So the hair arrived today, and my mom ordered the spring wave. I think it's called spring wave. All of these things is gonna be linked, or maybe just written in the description box below, so you guys can go get yours. You know what I'm saying? So this one is the 8-inch spring wave, and I got 6 of that. So right now I've already used 1.5 of this hair. You see, it's so tiny, but it goes a long way. Like, time to actually do the butterfly locks. Yes sir. The hair is actually called spring twist, not spring wave. So I'm going to take 2 strands and just fluff it all up. You want to be careful in this part because it really tangles a lot, but again, it really doesn't matter if it tangles. So what we're doing here is just making both of the strands fuller so that the locks can, you know, look full. So we're going to take 1 strand of the hair, and I like to moisturize my hair before I start. So now you want to use your crochet needle and push it through your braided roots. Make sure the hook is facing upwards, and what I like to do is twist the hair so that it can be easier for me, because the hair is just so puffy to fit in the needle. That's why it's easier this way. Then you want to put the hair in the needle and just close it up, and you want to make sure you close it up before you drag it because it really gets tangled up if you don't do that. Now you just want to make sure you pull the hair through from the other side very carefully. This part can be so hard for most people because it really tangles up. It always tangles up. Before you start wrapping, you want to do what I'm doing right now and just check. One is supposed to be longer than the other, and the shorter one is basically how long you want your hair to be, and the longer one is where you're going to use to wrap the hair. Now, so basically when you're wrapping your hair, the root is supposed to be the tightest, and I don't mean super tight because I didn't really make mine super tight, you know. So as you're going down, it's going to get looser and looser, and you are going to get used to it. So don't worry if it's rough, because guess what, it's supposed to be rough. Now maybe some of you have heard of the thumb method. Basically you have to stick out your thumb and just leave out some hair so that it can look more like a butterfly locks, you know. This method is really tricky for me. Sometimes it's really annoying to do, but I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna get it as you keep on doing it. You know, practice makes perfect. It took me about 5 locks before I could get it right. The camera didn't capture how I did the ends, so just wait for the second round and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the ends properly. One thing you guys will notice about these butterfly locks is that as you keep going, it's going to get really easy. I promise. Like, I was crying in the start. I was on FaceTime with my friends and it was so hard. Like, I'm not even playing. It's basically like 5 easy steps. So you just part your hair and braid it, then you want to put your crochet in there and just start wrapping it or maybe 4 easy steps. I don't even know, but it's really, really easy. So yeah, once you have it there, you want to start wrapping. And like I said, I did not do mine really tight. I don't like tight hairstyles, but if you like tight hairstyles, you want to make sure you do it super tight. But I don't mean the body, I mean the root. For the body, you want to make it so loose. One thing I love about these locks is that it's so easy, super quick to do. And even though you carry it for months, it's still gonna look literally like locks, because locks is supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be messy, and you know, it's just really cute. So how I do the ends and how most people do it, you have to just literally do that. Like, I don't even need to explain it. You're basically doing the reverse of what you just did to your butterfly locks. You're going to go upwards this time. Pretty easy to do, and it really doesn't matter where it stops. After that, you want to roll it together with your palm so that it could be secure, and also so that you won't see where it stops. Okay, so maybe you're also doing your butterfly locks while watching this video, or maybe you want to do it. Either way, make sure you leave a like on this video if you made it this far. I am going to stop talking and play music in the background while you guys watch me do these butterfly locks. Also, I am going to be posting a shorter tutorial on Instagram if you guys want to watch that. I don't know. Make sure to follow my Instagram at chid_face. The pictures will be posted at the end of the video, so just stay tuned for that and enjoy the video. Okay guys, this is basically it. This is the finished look. Well, we are 99% there. You know, we are not really done yet. I am going to go to bed because it is like 10 p.m. So I'm going to go to bed and come back in the morning or in the afternoon tomorrow because I'm going to go take pictures tomorrow with my new hair. You know what I'm saying? So I used 5 of this and my friends have used 3. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, chill. Okay guys, this is basically the final result with the outfit and all, period. Like what? Who told me to slay? Who told me to literally slay? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure, like I said, to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Join the gang because we lit, period. Y'all see the... See, I didn't get my nails done or whatever, but I still look cute. Period. And the outfit, let's not even talk about the outfit. We're not even gonna talk about the outfit. If you want to see the outfit details, go check out my Instagram, _face. You know, all the details are there. Hashtag Shein, what do you call it? Ambassador. Till next time, peace out.